If you want to create any downloadable products in WordPress, or if you want to sell digital products on WordPress, then this tutorial is only for you. If you follow my all steps, you will be able to get full function to sell any digital products on your WordPress website very easily. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster, and YouTube subscription is totally free. So please subscribe our channel, it will be useful for us. So to create digital product, go to your WordPress dashboard first, then create a product. So hover on products and click on add new, and then give your product name. Suppose we are going to sell avatar theme on our website, so put the product name, then give a product short description, and then set a product image. We have already a product image here. If you want to upload any product image, then click on upload files and select files, then just select your file. So we are going to use this one, and then you will see here downloadable. So check it and give a price, suppose $20. If you want to set any sale price, then you can do also, and then you can see downloadable files. That means which files will download the customers after the order. So you have to upload your product here. Click on add file and then choose file. We have already uploaded the avatar file, so we are going to set this. Suppose you are going to sell an image, then set any image. We are going to sell avatar theme, so we are going to check this and insert file URL, and then you can see here download limit. That means after ordering, how many times they can download this theme. Suppose 10 times. And download expiry, how many days the customer can download this avatar theme. Suppose 365 days, I mean 1 year, and then simply publish, open the product. So this is our product, and we are going to open in a new browser so that we can purchase. So we are going to use Mozilla Firefox, then paste and go, and from now click on add to cart, view cart, checkout. One thing, in the checkout page, can you see here a lot of options like first name, last name, company name, street address, town, city, zip code. Actually you don't need those information like town, city, street address, state, zip. You don't need those type of fields. So if you want to remove this field, then you have to install a new plugin. So go to WordPress dashboard and plugins to add new, because in digital products you don't need those information. From the search plugin, search digital goods. This is the plugin by the .store. So install it, activate it, and then you will see a new option here. So click on there, and then you have to first enable it. So click on there, and after that you can see here select exclude field on checkout. That means which field you want to remove from this checkout page. So click here, first name and last name is okay. We don't need company name, we don't need billing address, address to, billing city, postal code, billing country, state. I think billing phone is okay, so you don't want to remove that. If you want to exclude the order note, you will see here a order node, so we don't want it. And yeah, all is okay now. So click on save, then go to the checkout page and reload it again. Can you see all the extra fields are gone? So give here your first name, RBN, web, last name, solutions, phone, and email address. I am going to use my personal email, so, and create an account also. After that, place order. We are going to use direct bank transfer. We are taking the payment in offline. With this email, we have already an account, so we are going to change the email like WordPress 3g@gmail.com. Then click on place order, and you can see order received, and to go to my account page. Then you can see order from orders. You can see the status is hold. We are taking the payment in offline, that's why we have used the direct bank payment method. But if you use any card like any MasterCard or PayPal card, then your status will not be on hold, it will be completed automatically. We are going to use a direct bank transfer method, that's why we have to approve the order from dashboard manually. So WooCommerce to orders. Actually, if you use any card, you don't need to do this manually, and make it complete. Apply. It's completed. Now go to your downloads. You will see your product name here, and how many times you can download this product, and how many days you can download this product. So click on here, save, and yeah, the product is downloading. So in this way you can create any downloadable or digital product on your WordPress website. But in the next tutorial I will show, suppose your file is too big. As an example, your file is 500 MB. If you upload this on your media, then it will be very bad, very bad for your website. In this situation we can use Dropbox, right? From Dropbox, how you can integrate any link or any product or any things like videos, audios on your WooCommerce. So this will be very helpful, because this is really useful for selling any big file. So I hope you will subscribe our channel and you will stay connected with us. Thank you.